You morning say you want war gauge. You can't war me. Eh? Something for war nobody in a link. You know long more catch a life, I tell you this. You're a girl artist. I girl them love you. You never give killers them one song for you jump and rail yet. So you talk about you want to go war bad artist. You have to prove yourself. You have to pass me first before you reach bad artist. Look how much time me throw what off for you in a song in answer.
You throw it off of me in a song?
Well, listen, knock it, man. This mean a party or murder dash away. Are you me part the song there for? Remember
Me
your
never
friend them
know
try
that.
this me. What you mean? Remember your friend them try this mean a party, you know? This mean a party or murder dash away. Never this is 6 10 pussy better fe. You see the ex gang when a fear enemy. Are you?
Me blood clot.
Are you?
Say
So
you
it
feel
time
like say if me did know say I mean would answer you.
with I hear other. I can't answer me again.
Me can't answer you again.
You can't answer me again.
See, so you're like your artist.
A big artist,
You're
international.
an artist.
Me a big international artist to be exact. No, say me get big song when I run Jamaica for year hard, you know.
Yeah, you get big song. But that don't mean say you're artist.
Eh?
That don't mean say you're artist. Six them have you in a studio and feed your line and tell you what to say.
Who?
Something to them.
No. Me tell you.
Squash
Six
man.
help me with knock it. Six help me with knock it. Me no lie, but it was my idea.
Yeah, but me know say you're an artist. Me know say a squash man have you in a studio tell you what to say and how to say it.
No, man. You know say if you want
So
to
me
war,
you want war with. I say you want to start the morning.
you are going.
Eh?
You are going. You say you want war gauge. You know reach
Yeah.
gauge level yet. I mean I level there. If you say you want war, me give you a serious war. So drop your song and me just drop my song and we just start a war.
Oh.
Yeah. Right, that's between me. You have some long time war song for you when me had this a long time, you know. So I'm just ready for shoot them out.
It's a long time you had this me. Eh?
No, war song they put on for you, but they never get to release.
Uh. You
Yeah.
know, say out of everybody on the internet,
Mm-hmm.
and me step on your car, make you feel it. Cause it come like a something where you have personal, you all do this song and them thing there for me.
No. None of your this them never really connect. Cause you dress up when you are this me. None of your this them never really connect.
Ain't no serious.
You dress up. You have to rough on the this me.
Yeah.
You dress up in your pretty boy clothes and your chain and then sit there. So then this they never know this. You
Ain't no
understand?
count.
You know count. You have to
Eh.
diss me. Yeah, so then pretty boy this never really count. You know way there. So
So alright, so when you want me a war, what for plan the war? Since you say me not bad enough to reach gauge yet, me have to kill you first.
yeah.
Tell me when.
Lincoln. Just
Word
shoot
up,
off.
remember say me no say you no bad. Remember say me no say you piss up yourself.
Lincoln. Me say just drop a song, brother. Me see
When?
when me see a talk about your war gate. Me say Lincoln just drop a song.
When? No?
Anytime, and if you want any live, you go write a this song, go on.
No.
Go on, go write a this song.
No, here how I want it for do. I want
No, you
it
can't
to.
tell me. You can't tell me. This is not a plan war. You don't know when me I go this, you say. You don't know which song me I go drop. You don't know what. So they go like you want me to plan out the war.
No, here what me I say do.
Listen to me. After me come off of this live, you know, remember say me and a friend again, you know. Remember say when me come off of this live, you know, me and a friend again, you know. A war, you know, Lincoln. Yeah.
Yo. Hear me I say no man. Make the live dep on a match. Where your people them can send you a gift while you a DJ your song, my people them can send me gift while me a DJ my song.
So when?
We can do it later this evening or tomorrow or when? Talk to me.
Later on this week leaving, brother. Just get me reading them ready, dog. I mean just ready up, brother. Anything. If I freestyle pass spot, anything me go.
Me see a freestyle pan spot all the while and chat be a fuckery. Some of them sound decent, but I'm mostly fuckery chat. So see, don't do that.
Now watch me artist business and you watch a catalog of my music. You understand?
Of course, me I watch you.
Everybody has a war. I buy out the war, brother. A war, you want a war or what?
Yeah, but I want the war do the right way. You want war with me when you know you're going to lose? I fuck your baby mother, have the video for the proof, and we do it to the beat that a rhythm and blues, nigga.
You fuck my baby mother when nobody no want. Or you alone she blood clot want.
Hey! Hey!
You fucker, yo!
The boy bad! Look like him bad! Alright, Earl Dog.
So later on, does make me know a time.
Alright, Chippy. Yeah, we have planned it, man. Probably about 7 o'clock them time there.
I'm ready. I'll buy my war suit, I'm ready.
You come out in a suit?
Don't worry about that. 7 o'clock, me I go war, make Jamaica.
Hey, I don't want your gimmicks out in a bumbucklat war, and I don't want your company bumbucklat sitting in a some suit and them something there in my youth and going like say, some gimmicks thing you deal with, my friend.
I'm going to surprise your blood clot. Me, I surprise at 7 o'clock. Remember, I'm telling you, 7 o'clock, you're going to get a surprise of your blood clot life.
And some gimmicks thing you come with, my friend.
Me say a long time war and don't vex if me bring on my soldier them to figure me help me war.
Which one of your soldier them?
Don't worry about that.
Which batty boy can diss me? Which one of your friend them?
Me say don't worry about if me bring one of my friend them run and come help me war. Cause Lincoln a real war, you know. I mean,
no, I'm telling my youth.
Me know you go come and say, yo, me know you go forward and say, hero and forward the gimmicks. Say I go gimmicks, yo. I don't know, you know. So here we go on. A bare blood clot lyrics me a forward with. A bare lyrics.
Gimmicks thing you come with and dress up like you're a batty man.
Alright.
And that you come with. One bag of dress up and come with some gimmicks. And, brother, I remember tell you this too, no. When me a year war, me don't want you come on the blood clot video and come all shake your hood and them something them sitting the way I do on live every day in my youth. I shot a man in my friend. Nobody forward over so come shake up your hood in my friend.
That's enough for you. That's for your girl that me watch me and say Lincoln have me up.
Yo, me I tell you from now.
Don't watch the part there. The part
me I used to part where they shake up your hood in you.
Watch me and shake what me have. And then say they wish Lincoln did have what me have.
My youth.
So your girl them over here watch me. I mean you give your girl them attention.
Chargy. You see when you forward out 7 o'clock for war?
You know girl is still a girl suck your toe. And I know you can't prove it. I know you can't prove it. Say them name Lincoln, but them new name a family Ram. Say them name Lincoln, but them new name a family Ram. Say them name Lincoln, them new name a family Ram. Come here, say a pussy them and I'm look more me warrior youth. Come here, I tell you nothing more, you know. Me I tell you now. Me ready now.
Ready now.
Me ready, you know.
You ready?
Me ready. 7 o'clock, you're dead. 7
Word
o'clock,
dog.
you're dead.
Real dog. A street
Mama,
na the mag. Street na the mag. Street na the mag, yeah, go, my friend.
Nah, got no mag.
Cause you talk about suck pussy and who suck pussy like dog?
Not this dog.
Me never see a dog when I suck pussy yet.
You're a hog. You're a species. Matter of fact, it's a blood class species. Yo, I'm gonna kill him, come on. Yo, I'm gonna kill him, come on, people. People, I'm gonna kill him little more.
Trouble.
All right. Me tell him, hey, my friend, you know, he must say one every era gonna gimmick out the war or serious out the war. So he my fret right now.
But you can't serious because he's a joker.
No.
Eh?
A war, I'm ready for the link. I beg you a war, and you come like you run for the war. They are big artists, and I try to reach back in the business, because you don't know me to get a one hit song. So I reach back in the business. No, me can't fell off. I'm an old man who sets a boom. I never fell off. I'm reaching in the entertainment business. Ask anybody. If I'm a girl store, a thiefing store, then ask you chat my name. Love, I go fuck a girl and get a daughter. Move your blood clot and go. Me know a link on your chair for you now.
All right, 7 o'clock, Mr. Dog.
And don't come out here, you know. Pam pam and them thing, you know. I know, you know. We go spray per ear on them thing and come up with pam pam later and be a thing. Come know your style.
A regular me a step out and stay so.
You know, you come out later in a belly foot pants and gloves. And blood.
That's the way you do.
You see me?
That's the way you do.
Your big lace boot them. Now come out with that, because this is no fashion war.
And a fashion war. And this is not a wood shaking war. May I tell you from now?
This is not a fashion war.
Because yesterday somebody sent me one video where you shake your wood and your son crawl under your foot. We going to talk about that too in a war.
Yeah. I'm not mad at that because I'm a good dad. You know
a good dad. And I shake a rifle over your son's head, so. You know what head, so?
Listen, they say
go on your son head, so.
They say your son follow in your footstep.
Footstep?
Yes. Your
that
son
is a footstep.
You never see my son a thief. My son was dancing because daddy danced on the
TikTok. That was not a good step. That was a wood step.
No, I don't know about the wood step. You didn't see no wood. You're going like you have magnifying glass to see through my pants. You're doing too much right now.
Would drop your son head like poop.
I said you're doing too much.
Your head, boy. Yeah.
Dress back. I said you're doing too much. Dress back now. Hey, dress back.
You see later you're in a trouble. You see 7 o'clock you're in a trouble, you know.
I said, dress back. Dress back.
Hey. Careful, you know, world dog. Did I tell you? They say kids follow their father footstep, and I don't see no kids that follow you be a fly. So I had an idea I am a good role model. Bombo clot! In dead! In dead, bombo clot! Hey, yo. Let me tell you something. Some people are coming and I say, no kids, no kids. Let me tell you this, all is fear, love, and war. Yeah. People are war. All is fear, love, and war. What are yourself, man? I beat a little more. When I fall, 7 o'clock when I fall, I left no survivor. A book. Yeah. So I hope you're ready. 7 o'clock is the war. All right, Chippy. One Chippy. Yeah, but I think you mad about that because you're a more family person more than me. Who, me? Yeah. No.
Yes, you are because you have sex with a cousin. Cousin, big up yourself. I am family oriented. I'm a family guy. Yo, you love your family so much.
Oh.
Hey, you love your family